Hi and welcome, my name is Jason Blackett. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to set up Windows notification services so that you can push policy changes and other on-demand capabilities with Wnszmm to your Windows mobile devices. So in order to do this, there are three minimum things you have to do. All of these are not very pretty, but you've got to do them because this is the way Microsoft has deemed you have to do it. So the three things you have to set up are here under System Organization in the dashboard, and you've got to specify a SID, a client secret, and a package family name. Now in order to do this, you actually have to be a Windows Store developer. I'm an MSDN subscriber, so I'm already a store developer. So I've got the Dev Center up here, and I can come in here and I can say I want to create a new application, and I'll give it a name. I'll just call mine Wnszmm. Say reserve the app name. And basically what this does is sets me up an app in the App Store with that name. So now that I've got that, I can go over here to Services, Push Notifications, and I can click the link to Live Services site. And this is where two of those three pieces of information come from. First of all, you have the package SID. So this is what goes in the SID field. So if I copy that and paste that into SID, and then the second thing I need from that page is the client secret. So I'll take that, I'll copy that into the client secret. The last piece I need is the package file or package family name. To do this, I actually have to have Visual Studio. You can use either 2013 or 2015. I've got 2013 here. I'm going to go ahead and create a new project in Visual Studio. I'm going to choose to create a blank universal application. If you're using 2013, you're going to create a Windows Phone app. Once you get that created, the next thing you need to do is actually associate this with your store application you just created. So you come in here and say associate this to the store. And so it'll go out, it'll find that application that we just created. We can select to associate this project with that. And then we're going to go ahead and initiate a deployment of that solution. And so this basically builds it, and you can see the debug information getting spit out here. Now you have your full package name. This is actually where you need the information to come from for the package name. So you actually have to copy this to Notepad and then strip off some things, or copy it into the actual dashboard and strip off some things. So we'll copy that over here, and then we'll start stripping things off. Alright, so we've got that copied in. Now what we're going to do is actually get rid of the version and the CPU type and those trailing two underscores. We'll delete that, and then we'll go ahead and save that, and that will make it so that we can now send WNS queries out to our Windows notification. This is documented in the organization setup guide, but it actually has a link out to the Microsoft document that tells you how to do what I just showed you how to do, as opposed to being documented there, so I thought it might be a little easier to actually show you. Again, this is kind of a Microsoft process, so we've made it as easy as we can by allowing you to paste things in, but there isn't like an API we can use to go out and set that up. Hope you found that interesting and helpful. Thanks.